Today's video is all about the difference between day trading and long-term investing, how they are different, how I think there's a lot of misinformation out there about how hard trading actually is. Welcome to my channel. My name is Deborah Ostrom. I've worked in the financial industry for over 25 years. I've worked out in New York at a lot of the big names, and I've created this channel because I want everyone to have access to information that's going to help them make better financial decisions. I have a website, I've created online courses. The links are below, so please check them out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when I drop a new video. Why is day trading and investing so synonymous, and why do people think it's the same thing? And what is this attractiveness about trading and day trading? There is so much written on the internet about hot stock tips, and you can buy this research from, these millionaires with great marketing campaigns to get you emotional and get rich quick schemes to suck you in and subscribe to their research and then give it a go at day trading. What they don't tell you is that it is actually extremely difficult to be a successful day trader. And what is day trading? Traders are using price information of the investment and volume information of the investment. And when I say volume, it's all about the number of shares that are being traded at any given point in time. And they're using that data to make a prediction as to whether that next short time period, whether it's 5 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour, you're trying to predict, is the stock or investment going to go up or down within that next short period of time? So it can be very emotional, stressful. You're kind of glued to your trading station, PC, all day long. And it's very high risk. So that's very different than long-term investing, where long-term investing is all about you're creating a plan, a holistic plan for your life. You're setting goals. You're looking at in your budgeting, how much can you afford to invest? What do you need for your retirement, for college, children, age children? And then you're putting together an investment plan to help you meet each of those goals. And it's very long-term in nature. You're thinking, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. The other thing I find fascinating is that 90% of traders are men. And there's these marketing campaigns out there that are really sucking people in and using their emotions to get them to think that they will get rich quick and make thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars. When what they're really not telling you is that there's been studies from Berkeley University and other universities around the world that show that 80 to 90% of day traders lose money. And usually over a 3 to 5 year time period, only about 10 to 15% of them are actually profitable. So I wonder, why do so many men do this? And I think it has to do with this dopamine rush that you do get when you make a profitable trade, especially in a very short amount of time. And the challenge is that it's hard to be consistent when your emotions are involved. There are a lot more large companies. So when you have someone that's a professional trader, the amount of computer programs, technology, statistics that are backing them up to make these split-second decisions far vastly outweigh anything a do-it-yourselfer could compete with on a consistent basis over time. It makes more sense to use the philosophy of long-term investing, where over long periods of time, 80 to 90% of people are growing their money. And that's what history and statistics have shown us. And if you are someone that enjoys the thrill and the rush that you get from day trading, perhaps the way to balance it out is to put 80 to 90% of your investment money in the long-term investing strategy. And if you want to play around, create a little fun money fund that is a very small percentage of your overall investing portfolio and use that small percentage to trade stocks. This way, at least you know that 80 to 90% of your money is going to grow for you over time. So I'd love to know your thoughts, or if you have any additional questions, drop them in the comments below, and I will see you next time.